Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I've been using this Advantage 2 on my little cat Elsie for several months. This is topical and I apply it just to the back of her neck at the base of her skull. I found it's best to do that when she's either sleeping or I can distract her with a snack. It's not irritating to her skin at all. I watch really carefully after application to make sure that she's not having any adverse side effects, and she tolerates this really well. She's an inside outside cat and she loves to roam around outside just all over the place. We live out in a rural area that has a lot of tall grass and cows and other animals. So I've noticed that she never has any fleas, no problem with that at all. And that's really nice because when she does come inside, I don't have to worry about her bringing the fleas in with her. I'm really pleased with how effective this is. It has helped to prevent her having fleas, and that makes me really happy. And that's my point of view.